Hello, today we will guide you through how to tag a person on Meta Business Suite. If you need to mention someone in a post while working inside Meta Business Suite, the process is quick once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on creating a post and adding a tag directly in the post text so the person appears as a mention. Start by opening Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're in the correct business account and on the page where you want to publish the post. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the option labeled Create Post and click it. This opens the Composer, which is where you build and format your post before publishing. When the Post Composer appears, click into the Post Details area. This is the main text box where you write your caption or message. If you already know what you want your post to say, you can type the rest of your content first or add the tag exactly where you want it to appear in the sentence. Keeping the tag in the right place helps the post feel natural and easy to read. To tag a person, type the @ symbol, followed immediately by the beginning of the person's name. As you type, Meta Business Suite should begin showing matching suggestions. This is important because the tag usually needs to be selected from the list in order to link properly. If you don't see suggestions right away, give it a moment and make sure the spelling is close to the person's profile name. Once the matching result appears, click the correct suggested name from the list. After you select it, the mention should be inserted into your post. That confirms the tag has been recognized by the platform instead of just appearing as plain text. Before publishing, take a quick second to review the post details and make sure the tag looks correct. This is especially helpful if several people have similar names. If needed, you can delete the mention and try again by typing the @ symbol and the name once more. And that's it. You've successfully tagged a person in Meta Business Suite by opening the Post Composer, clicking into Post Details, typing the @ symbol with the person's name, and selecting the correct result. Once everything looks right, your post is ready for the next step in your normal publishing process.